All homeopathic practitioners and students. Today's drug is Hypericum. Hypericum is also useful in injuries. Hypericum is used in mechanical injuries of spinal cord, bad effect of spinal concussion, pain after fallen cocax. It is used in punctured, incised, or lacerated wounds. Hypericum is useful in injuries from treading on a nail, from needles, pins, splinters, rat bite, and the pain of these injuries are very intolerable. Patient can't even sit on one place. Hypericum is useful to prevent lockjaw. It is useful in tetanus after traumatic injuries. Hypericum is useful to injuries to the parts reaching sentient nerves like fingers, toes, matrix of nails, palm, sole, crushed mashed fingertips. Hypericum is used in vertigo. There is unique feature in vertigo is the sensation as if head becomes suddenly elongated at night, and there is urging to urinate with this vertigo. Hypericum is useful in headache after fall on occiput, and there is sensation as if lifted up in the air. Patients also suffer from convulsion from fall on the head. Thank you. This is all about Hypericum. It is very useful in injuries. This is useful for exam, BHMS exam, Viva purpose, and for also practice. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.